shapes and symmetry. Okay, yes. First we are going to revise the basic shapes. What are the basic shapes? That is square, rectangle, triangle and circle, isn't it? Yes. So in these shapes are flat shapes, right? These shapes are flat shapes. That square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Then rectangle, in rectangle has here also 4 sides and 4 corners. Then opposite sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. Then next one, triangle, isn't it? Triangle, in triangle how many sides? 3 sides, isn't it? 3 sides and 3 corners, right? Then circle, only curved side, right? Here no sides and no corners in circle, right? Yes, this is these 4 basic shapes, isn't it? Yes. Next what we learn? There is solid shapes, isn't it? Yes. Solid shapes. The solid shapes, what are the solid shapes are? That is vertices, faces and edges, isn't it? Vertices means these corners. This is the vertices. Then faces means this is the faces. The flat face, upside down, then opposite, then front and back, right? Yes. Then edges. Edges means these lines, right? Edges, right? Yes. How many solid shapes is studied? Yes. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, then what? Sphere, then cone, right? Yes. This is cube. In cube, here this is big one, this is small one, right? Yes. In cube has how many faces? In cube has 6 faces. You can see that 6 faces here, front, back, then 2 sides, then upside and down, right? 6 faces. Then how many edges? 12 edges. Then how many vertices? 8 vertices, right? Yes, 8 vertices. Then cuboid. Cuboid, see here how it will be. This is the slim one, this is thick one. Here also one thick one, right? Yes. In cuboid also, in cuboid it has how many faces? 6 faces. Then how many edges? 12 edges. Then how many vertices? 8 vertices, right? Yes. This is what? This is cylinder. See the cylinder shape, how it will be that this is the one, and this 2 also cylinder shape, right? In cylinder has how many faces? In cylinder has 3 faces. How? That is 2 flat faces, right? Upside and down, that 2 flat faces. Then this is the curved face. Okay, that is the curved face. That means 3 faces. Then edges. Edges, how many edges? 2 edges, right? 2 edges means here 1 edge, then here also we can see that 1 edge, right? 2 edges. Then vertices. Can you see any vertices here? No, we cannot. Here no vertices, right? Right, yes. So no vertices. That means in cylinder 3 faces. That means 2 flat face, 1 curved face. Then 2 edges here and there. 2 edges, then no vertices. Then next, cone. Cone. Here you can see the small one, then big one, then very big one, right? Cone shape, how it will be. Yes, a cone has how many faces? 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. See, faces means 1 flat face, then 1 curved face. Okay, 2 faces, that is, one is the flat face, then another one is the curved face. Curved face. Then edges, here only 1 edge, then only 1 vertex. In cone has only 1 edge and 1 vertex, but the faces is 2 faces. One is flat face, another one is curved face, right? Yes. Then sphere. Sphere, this is sphere, right? Yes, a sphere has how many face? Only 1 face. That means the curved face only, right? Only in sphere means you know like that is a ball. Ball shape is sphere, right? Yes, only 1 face, that is a curved face only. Okay, not flat face, only curved face, but no edges and no vertices. Can you see any edges and vertices? No, only flat, sorry, only face only curved face, right? Yes. Now prisms. Prism also, here you can see how many faces? 5 faces. 5 faces means this face only, then opposite side one face, that is also rectangle side shape. Then this is the triangle shape, right? This triangle shape opposite side one triangle is there. That is 2. Then this is rectangle shape. That opposite side one rectangle shape. That is 4. Then down one rectangle shape. That is 5 faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then opposite 4. Then down also one rectangle shape is there. That is 5 faces. Then 9 edges. Then 6 vertices. Okay, that is prism. Okay, do you understand now? Yes, children. So now you know that basic shape and solid shapes, right? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about symmetry. Okay, symmetry means if you divide the object, we will get the identical shapes, right? Yes, see the example. What type of symmetry does this perfume bottle have? See that this here in this bottle, what type of symmetry we can get it? Horizontally or vertically? Yes, you know, isn't it? This vertical, if you draw the vertical line, we will get the identical shape, right? If you draw the horizontal line, means here the another shape, here another shape, isn't it? Yes, see the answer. You can see the answer. Yes. So vertical line only you can draw, right? Yes. Then next question. See what type of symmetry does this basket has? This basket, how we can draw vertically or horizontally? Here also we are going to use that vertical line, right? If you draw the horizontal line like this way, here different shape, this is different shape. Then we will not get identical shape, right? Yes. Here the vertical line only, isn't it? Yes. Next question. Complete the picture so that the image looks symmetrical. Yes. See here this is the triangle. Now here this is the symmetrical line. That is horizontal line, isn't it? So here how we can complete this picture? So same image you can get it down, isn't it? Yes. See here answer. So here we can see that the horizontal, the symmetrical line is in horizontal line, right? Yes. See the next example, complete the picture so that the image looks symmetrical. How we can draw this diagram, same diagram we can draw this side also, right? Because here the mirror image, that means symmetrical line is vertical, right? Yes. See the answer, like this we will get if you draw. Understand? Yes. Next question, draw and find out the number of lines of symmetry a fish has. This fish, how many number of lines we can make it? The symmetrical line. Only 1 or 2. That is only 1 lines of symmetry, isn't it? That is vertical or horizontal? Horizontal. If you draw like this way, we can get the identical shape. If you draw like the vertical line means we cannot get, right? Yes, see the answer. Yes, only 1 lines of symmetry, that is horizontal line. Yes. See this kite. Here also you can draw, isn't it? Horizontally or vertically. Here we can draw the lines of symmetry vertically, right? Yes. Yes. A kite has only 1 line of symmetry. Yes. Next. Draw and find out the number of lines of symmetry a triangle. Into this triangle, how many lines of symmetry we can make it? We can make it like this, isn't it? That is vertical line. Then this corner also we can make it. Then this corner also. See, 3 lines of symmetry. Here we can make it. How many lines of symmetry? 3 lines of symmetry. Next example. This is which is shape? This is actually the shape is rectangle shape, isn't it? Now draw and find out the number of lines of symmetry as a rectangle has. Here how many lines of symmetry we can make it? Yes, 2 lines of symmetry, isn't it? That is vertically and horizontally. We can make it 2 lines of symmetry. See the answer? Yes, 2 lines of symmetry we can make it, right? Yes. Next, square. Square how many? See, vertically, horizontally, then this corner also we can make it, right? See the answer here is 4 lines of symmetry, right? So what are the different types of lines of symmetry? How many types? Horizontal line of diagonal. Diagonal means just vertical lines of symmetry, horizontal lines of symmetry, then diagonal lines of symmetry. Yes. Draw and count the lines of symmetry in the given star. That is your task. Okay. Okay. See how many lines of symmetry we can make it. See how many lines of symmetry we can make it. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines of symmetry. See this next question. Is it possible to draw a line of symmetry for the given figure? Is it possible to draw these lines of symmetry for this figure? No, we cannot draw, right? It's an irregular shape, isn't it? So we cannot draw. It is not possible, we cannot draw. When can we say that the object is symmetrical? The object is said to be symmetrical when it can be divided into 2 halves. That means 2 parts, right? Okay. Then a line of symmetry divides the object into how many parts? How many? A line of symmetry divides the object into 2 halves. That means 2 parts will get, right? What do you mean by line of symmetry? Line of symmetry defined as an imaginary line that divides an image into 2 halves, thereby causing one half to be the reflection of the other. I said no, that is the mirror line. If you are standing in front of the mirror, how we can see that inside the mirror? The same image only you can see, right? Like that. Yes. How many lines of symmetry can be drawn from the following pictures? How many lines? Here, how many lines of symmetry we can make it? Vertically and horizontally we can make it, isn't it? Then this figure, we can make it horizontally, right? We cannot make it the vertical. Then this figure, we cannot make it, right? If you make it like the vertical, it means different objects, right? We can make it different. Then if you draw the horizontal line means here different shape, here different shape. So the last one, we cannot draw, isn't it? Yes. See the answer? In the first one, 2 lines of symmetry. The second one, 1 line of symmetry. The third one, this is 0. The last one we cannot draw, isn't it? Yes. Yes. See the first picture, we can draw the lines of symmetry, isn't it? But the second picture, no, we cannot make it, isn't it? Then this picture, then what about this one? This one, see the answer? How? Yes. So only these 3 pictures only we can make it the lines of symmetry. Draw the line of symmetry if possible for the following figures. In 7, is it possible to draw the lines of symmetry? No, we cannot draw, right? Here. Then what about this one? Here only 1 lines of symmetry. Then B, here also we can draw the horizontally. The first one is not possible, we cannot draw. The second one, the horizontal way. Then the third one also horizontal lines of symmetry. Do you understand now? I think you understand this concept. So chapter 4 is over. Now what you are going to do in workbook chapter 4, please try to complete that worksheets. So if you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay children? Thank you.